Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Day 7 of Suzanne's, what are we calling it? Lockdown.
Get fit.
Get fit. The last 3 days we've been walking in the evening, so it's been pretty dark, hasn't it?
Yeah.
So we couldn't film it, but today we've come to Stanwick Lakes, is it?
Yeah, I think so.
And
Stanwick Lakes.
Stanwick Lakes. No, is it Stanwick Lakes? Yeah. Yeah, the last 3 days we've been walking in the evening, so it's been quite dark, so it wasn't worth videoing. But you're doing very well, aren't you?
Yeah.
How's your knee?
Not too bad at the minute. Hello! Rusted in dog sh**. Oh.
Got some dog poop on your trainers today, have you, Suzanne?
I have. I'm gutted.
So this is a track that just seems to go on forever, and you've done about a mile now.
Yeah.
What do you think? Okay?
We'll go to that bridge then, if it's not going round, and then we'll turn back.
Yeah, this isn't a circular route, this one. The circular route over there was just far too muddy. So, yeah, turn around at that one and then go back.
Yeah.
That'll give you just about 2¼ miles.
Yeah. They look really fluffy.
They're goats.
Oh. Goats?
Yeah. So we're on the return journey back to the car. I don't know, it's all strange at the moment, isn't it? This time, I have to be honest, it does seem as if life is getting on much more than it did when we were in that last lockdown.
Yeah, definitely.
Because as we've said before, you didn't leave the house for 6 weeks.
No.
Not that we're leaving the house at all at the moment, other than to come out for your walks. But you feel more comfortable with a country walk like this, don't you?
Although there's not really much for you to film.
No, well, it's not all about the filming, really, is it? I mean, it's getting you out for your walks, and you're doing really well, anyway. So, and it would be nice if the sun was out, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Well, having said that, what's that up there? Look.
Trying to peek through the clouds.
It's trying. We've just seen some, which you'll see on the little vlog, we've just seen some little things that Suzanne said, they look like unusual little cows.
Oh, I said furry cows.
Oh, furry cows. And they were actually furry goats.